National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cherokee County and southwestern North Carolina, eastern Polk County and eastern Tennessee, southwestern Monroe County and eastern Tennessee, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Etowah, or 11 miles northeast of Benton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Ducktown, EAS Dam, Cobra Creek, Ocoee State Park, Violet, Bullet Creek, Reliance, Turtletown, William L. Davenport Refuge and Copper Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This is help.